Hello guys and welcome back. This is my bot tutorial number 2. In the last video, we covered making the basics of the bot, so sending a message and getting a reply. So if you haven't watched that, please go check that out. So today we're going to clean up this code, make it into functions and very simple to use, and we're going to work on some practical uses for this and how to do multiple sites at the same time. So let's get started. So here is the code from last time. So we're not gonna change this top stuff. We're just gonna start from here. So our first function is going to set the bot up. So we're gonna call it def start bot. Okay. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna indent this. So this we'll do for every time we'll start the bot. It's the same. And then let's go back. And since we don't want it just for this website, let's make it a bit more flexible. So let's do it a website that they choose. Okay, so I'll take this and I'll command X and I'll put website over here. And then I'll return driver. So what we want to do is driver equals start bot and we'll put the website name here. Oops. Okay. So let's not say start bot. Let's that's fine. It's okay. So now let's make a sign in. So whatever website we want will probably have this name of email and name of password. So let's do def sign in. And we'll take driver, email, password, and the class of the submit button. Okay. So this is not supposed to be here. We'll take these three and copy them and put them over here. Tab and tab. And we'll make this email. Make this password. And we'll make this submit. Awesome. So now, instead of all of this, we can make it sign in. Oh, we'll just copy them over. So sign in to pass driver first. Driver this the password and the class of the submit button. So now these two functions won't just let us to log in to Discord, to start the bot and log into Discord. We can start the bot for any website we want and log into any website we want. So it's very helpful. So let us remove these three. We don't need those anymore. Time.sleep, that's still fine, and driver.get. the page you want to talk to. And let's make a little, you can make a little condition over here that based on what you can type something, like which channel you wanted to do it on. Suppose you want to do it with your friend, then you can type friend over there and it doesn't go to yours, it goes to your friend's link. So you can do a little bit of logic there, but for now I'm just going to keep it to the bots chatting only with me. Okay, now the sending. So for the sending message, this will be the most helpful function, but it'll only be limited to Discord. So send message, just keep it send, driver, and message. So will be, instead of having to type find element by class name, select text area, and then send keys, it'll just replace all of this. So whenever you want to type something to the thing, all you have to do is pass message. So instead of this, all you have to do is send driver hi, I am a bot. Okay. So now reply. Reply is also very big, unnecessary, this huge thing. So let's take this, copy this, and put a bracket here. Okay. Take this command X and make a reply function. Just gonna indent all this. There's an easier way to do this, but I'm just doing the slow way for now because I'm not in a rush right now, and we have to make sure to return this response. Okay. So now over here we send and then we store the reply in response. Okay, and there we go. So now whenever you want to send a message, you just use the send function. Whenever you want to respond, do this. And to start up a bot, you just have to do this. So suppose you want to start another bot for like maybe you have two friends playing at the same time, so you can start two bots with just 3 lines and not having to do all of this code again. So it makes your thing a bit cleaner. This doesn't need to be there anymore whenever we want to send. Okay, so now we're gonna just create a simple game. Let's do a number guessing game. Let's say, hi, I am a bot. Welcome you. Let's see. Do you want to play a game? Y or N? And then response. And then if response equal to Y, then let's call our function, what should we say? Number. Okay, let's just type number and then pass driver to it, and else send. See how much easier it is now? You don't have to type that whole thing. You just have to type this small thing and say bye, see See you later. Okay, so let's create a function. What do we call it? Number? Yeah, def number. So I'm just trying to show you with this is that now we can use this response as input and the send as just print. So you can use Discord as your Python idle interface. So if I use number driver, then I just have to do send driver. Welcome to number game. I thought of a number between 1 and 20. You have have 4 tries to guess. Okay, and let's import random. And again, you can leave now. I've done main of the basic cleanup. I'm just showing you one cool way to use it to show the bot in use. So I'll get the number is equal to random dot rand int 1 and 20. Okay, for number in range 4. Let's do 1 through 5. 1 through 5. It is your str number try. Or let's do try number. Try number. It'll be weird. It is your 4 try. Try number that. Okay. And then actually let's add a period. Okay. Try number this. Okay, and then we get response. So it's very helpful, so you don't have to like get the response every time you send a message. So you, whenever you want response, you do response equals get or reply. We didn't call it get reply, we called the reply. Try that. And then you do your conditionals. If int response greater than number, go lower. Go higher. Else let's just do it the same way to make sure there are no errors. U1. Yay. Okay. And then let's put this in a try except, so if it's not an int, then we'll say it's an invalid answer. Here's the easy way to indent anything. Go format, indent region, perfecto, try except. Invalid answer. Okay. And then it breaks when it's done. And we are ready to test it. So let's get started. Let's run module. Okay, let me drag this over here again. Now it should work. Perfecto. Now I should be getting my message. As you can see over here, this is my actual bot that I coded. I had many things that it does, but this is just for the tutorial, so I'll click Y. Welcome to the number game. I thought a number between 1 and 20 or 4 tries to guess. Let's see, 16. Go lower. 14. Go lower. 10. Go lower. Okay. 5. Go lower. And I didn't win. I forgot to put I lose. But okay, we'll do that later. Okay, so I hope you learned something and my test of the game helped. So hopefully you try and make your own and have some success with that. So I'll see you later. Bye.